Whew. Man, the only way I could describe the feeling of trying to get a doe and a buck down during Ernebuck, New Jersey, early season, during a heat wave, only having a week to do it, stressful. All I've been getting are just notifications and notifications from the SoCam of just nice bucks coming in to our cameras. Only having a week, having to drive 20 hours to go try and kill a deer, man, it is stressful. I'm down here just slinging arrow after arrow. I am beyond proud of what happened. Big shout out to Bill, 2 thumbs up. And he helped me get this deer. We actually shot him on a deer drive, and it was insane the way it all played out. But I am Mike, we're obviously Outdoorsmen. New name for us, and a little rebranding going on, so we're not confined just to New Jersey. We will always be Ultimate NJ Outdoorsmen, but from here on out, we are also known as obviously Outdoorsmen. And I also wanted to give a great big shout out to Racketer Sense & Lures. Gerard's over there just making insane products that help you lay down some deer. And I also want to give a big shout out to DCA Arrows Deer Crossing Archery. Some of the best arrows I have ever shot at an affordable price. You can customize them any way you want, and I am sold. I am shooting them for the rest of my life. As long as I'm around, I will be shooting them. And that's it, guys. Enjoy this video. Keep slinging them arrows, keep smacking them big bass, and here we go. Enjoy the video. Woo! I smoked them. Oh, Billy comes through again. Let's go. Oh, that was insane. I just smoked them at like 18 yards.
Never, ever give up. Never give up.
I got him dead right here. Bill! He's down right here, baby. Velvet buck. Velvet buck down, baby. And Bill found a shed or something. He's down right here. There we go, guys. Early bow. Velvet buck down. Insane story on this guy. Could not have done this without Billy. Crazy drop tine. Shed in velvet. Whew. That's how we do it. My first ever velvet buck, and
This is definitely going on the wall for me. All right, guys, this is the new, obviously, Outdoorsman. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like this video. Here we go, guys. Second buck down for the team this year. Let's go. Pull your arm that way. Good, perfect. Now you're like, I don't know. I'll let you know. And then you're like, I sent you a picture or something, and you're like, well, I'm down tomorrow if you want to meet me. I'm like, 6:30, don't be late. 6:46, you show up. In your underwear and one sock.
Dude, I slept on the couch so I'd wake up. And thank you guys for watching my velvet buck during early season New Jersey earn a buck. And if you guys have not yet followed us on Instagram and Facebook, head over there now. Obviously Outdoorsmen. You can find us over there to stay in tune, stay up to date on everything we're posting and everything that's going on in our group. And if you guys are new to the channel, obviously Outdoorsmen, hit the like button, subscribe to us, turn on the little bell to be notified every time we post, and keep shooting them deer, keep catching them fish, and just stay after it. I am Mike with Obviously Outdoorsmen. Peace, guys!